Hello, Imanpor here. In today's video, we're gonna learn again through a cutscene that I took from a movie. And we're also gonna be discussing the vocabulary that is used in that short scene so that you can increase your Indonesian vocabulary by learning from this kind of short scene vocabulary that is really used in real life. Okay. So without further ado, let's take a look at the screen now. Actually, the movie is it's a comedy movie. The name of the movie is Cek Toko Sebelah. Cek Toko Sebelah 2. Okay, you can watch it on Netflix here. And then let's take a look at the screen. Let's take a look at the scene now. Okay, but before I explain about all this, before we're discussing about the words being used in this short scene, I'm gonna explain a little bit about the setting of the scene so that you can follow along, so that you can better understand what is going on in that scene. Okay, let's watch this. Okay, here in that scene, this is a woman, and she was driving, and when all of a sudden, her car had a flat tire, so she had to pull over, and then because she can replace the tire by herself, she calls a person, her staff, a mechanic, to come to where she is to help her changing the tire. And then all of a sudden, a man who is riding a bike stops by and try to help her. And here, the person's name is Erwin. And then she stops by, and then he stops by, and then he approaches the woman there, and because the woman is afraid because she's alone, she's alone, she's alone, she's driving the car alone, and then being approached by a stranger, she kind of like, maybe this is a bad guy. So, as you can see here, she is mengambil tuh apa ya? Dia mengambil. Okay. She take sometimes, and then she take a baseball bat from her a car and point it. She points to this person. Okay, let's take a look at the scene now. Okay, she immediately grabbed the baseball bat, and then pointing to that person, and then saying, ngapain kamu?
Ngapain kamu?
Ngapain kamu? Ngapain kamu? Okay. The vocabulary used here, ngapain, is the conversational way of saying melakukan apa. Melakukan apa. If you wanted to say, what are you doing? You can say, kamu lagi ngapain. So the word ngapain is also so the word ngapain you can also use in that question. Okay, ngapain? Melakukan apa? Ngapain kamu? Melakukan apa kamu? Actually, like that. This is a more formal. So ngapain is more informal and usually used in a conversational Indonesian.
Sabar, saya bukan orang jahat.
Sabar, saya bukan orang jahat. And then Erwin says, responds to her saying, ngapain kamu? As, ngapain kamu? Sabar. Sabar actually literally means patient. Okay, be patient. And then, but in this context, it means like calm down, or easy. Easy, 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 easy. Because she pointed a baseball bat to her face, to his face. So he's saying, calm down, easy, sabar. That's the meaning of sabar in this context. Okay. Saya bukan orang jahat. Saya is I. Bukan. It's not. Orang jahat. Bad guys. Okay. I'm not a bad guy. Okay. Easy. I'm not a bad guy. And then, as he says, bohong. Bohong. Bohong is actually, bohong here is actually literally mean lie. Okay. You lie. Liar. Okay. Bohong, lie. But here I translate it into I don't believe you, because by saying bohong, it implies that she doesn't believe in Erwin. She doesn't believe in him. Okay.
Bener.
Bener. Bener is informal for bener. Benar. Bener and benar. Okay. Benar is formal and bener is informal. True. I'm not lying, like that. Benar is like no caps, or I'm not lying. And then he tries to reach to his bag. He tries to reach to his bag. He want to take something out of his bag, and then Natalie, the woman's name, say this. Ngapain? It here is just exclamation that is used to attract someone's attention. Maybe in English, like you can just translate into hey, like that. Ngapain? What are you doing? What are you doing here? You can translate it as what are you doing? What are you going to do? What are you can also translate your what are you going to do? Okay,
Bukan enggak ini.
Bukan enggak ini bukti.
Bukti.
Bukan. Okay, bukan is no. Bukan no or not. Okay, also. Enggak has the same meaning as enggak or tidak. Also no. Bukan enggak in this context has the same meaning. No. Ini is this. Okay, this. And bukti is proof. Okay. Tuh actually is informal for itu. And that. Tuh. But here, there, this. Can you say like that? Tuh. Here. Tuh. Here.
Saya bawa laptop.
Saya bawa laptop. Okay, saya bawa laptop. Saya bawa bring. Saya bawa laptop. I brought laptop. Saya bawa laptop. I brought a laptop with me. Okay.
Mana ada orang jahat bawa laptop?
Mana ada orang jahat bawa laptop? Mana ada orang jahat bawa laptop? Mana ada? Mana ada is like there is no. Mana ada? There is no. Tidak ada. but mana ada is like has the same meaning like mana ada. Tidak ada, but at the same time you're asking there is no mana ada, there is no mana ada orang jahat, there is no, okay, like that. Mana ada orang jahat bad guys bawa laptop. Okay, so mana ada orang jahat bawa laptop. There are no bad guys who bring laptops with them. Okay, That is the literal translation from what he says. Mana ada orang jahat? There are no bad guys who bring laptops with them. And then she responds with,
Ada.
ada? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. So ada here is like, ada actually means in literal meaning that it is exists. Yes, it is exists that there are a bad guy. There are bad guys who bring laptops with them. Yes, they are exist. Literally, it means like that. Okay, and then she explains who
Maling laptop.
maling laptop. Okay, maling is informal for pencuri. Pencuri is more formal. Pencuri is thieves. Okay. And then when she says that, Erwin kind of like think, oh, iya juga.
Iya juga.
Okay. He thinks for a moment and then realize, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Iya juga. Iya actually here means iya, yes. Juga also. Yes, also. But iya juga in this, when you agree with what someone says to you, and then Erwin kind of like think for a moment.
Iya juga.
He thinks for a moment when the woman, when Natalie says,
Maling laptop.
ada maling laptop, and then Erwin thinks for a moment and then, okay, that makes sense.
Iya juga.
Yeah, juga. So yeah, juga here usually when you agree to what someone says here, he agrees what Natalie just said to him, that there is a bad guy. There are bad guys who bring laptop with them. There are maling laptop or laptop thieves. So I guess that's all for now. I hope that you can understand what I have explained to you until now. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. So I think that's all for now. Talk to you soon, and bye now.